The team, Ogbefi Ozongbachi, said the team is in the state to assess project performance and ascertain compliance with approved designs and specifications. The Lagos-Ibadan Expressway and the Ilorin Road, he assured, will be completed soon. Of the 10 federal roads claimed to have been repaired by Oyo State, for which a total of 14.8 billion naira is being demanded, he said only 2 obtained federal government's approval, and that 2.5 billion naira has been appropriated in the budget.
In the next weeks, few weeks, I can say weeks, that Lagos-Ibadan road, 2 sections of it would be awarded to 2 reputable contractors.
Our word is to make quality, not only to make infrastructure, but to make quality ones that will last for a long period of time.
The committee is expected to inspect all federal roads in the state.